Carol Inspire and Create was founded in Cali, Colombia on January 20, 2003. When it comes to fashion and accessories, Colombia is one of the main references. We were born to solve a need that jewelry designers had, the lack of supplies to make new accessories. We import and have a market of tools and supplies for the production of jewelry to generate entrepreneurs for the finished jewelry industry as well as for designers. Carol handles 33,000 product references such as Golfy gold wires and threads, leather crafts for jewelry, Golfy gold chains, raw brass components, natural pearls, synthetic pearls, synthetic acrylics, seed beads, glass beads, crystal fancy stone, crystals, Miyuki, and tools. Throughout the years, we have built commercial relationship with important companies such as Miyuki, with which ever since 2015 we are authorized distributors for Colombia. From 2003 until July 2021, Swarovski turned us into their authorized retailer for Colombia. Lian Industrial CO has turned us into their distributor of embellishment for Colombia since 2006. We have our own brand of tools named Stone. Each tool is manufactured to be used in a technique for the manufacture of jewelry. Carol counts with 7 stores located in Colombia, 1 in Barranquilla and Bucaramanga, 3 in Cali, and 2 in our capital city, Bogotá. Additionally, our offices and warehouse are in Cali. Moreover, in South America, we are one of the few companies that have a developed e-commerce, consequently allowing us to distribute all of our products for Colombia and Latin America with our website. Over the years, we have managed to establish the Carol community, where we have the Creators Club and Wholesale Allies. The Wholesale Allies are companies that have the same economic activity as us and are established in different cities of Colombia. They sell and distribute our products. We handle 4 types of clients. DIY customer is the customer who makes their jewelry accessories with our products as a hobby. We offer them the opportunity to learn different techniques for making jewelry through our club creators and tutorial videos published on our social media. Our industry clients prefer Carol because we satisfy their high quality standards in each of our products and because of our delivery times that we provide. For our wholesale customers, we guarantee the quantity and quality of our products with an excellent price list. To our loyal customers, we offer them 2 loyalty plans, Preferential and Elite. Preferential clients have jewelry as a business and make a monthly investment of $100. They are given the benefit of a 10% discount on our regular price list. Elite clients have become great designers and have a consolidated business in yearly. They make a monthly investment of $250 and are given a 20% discount on our regular price list. Social media is our communication channel with our clients. We create a wide variety of valuable content such as tutorials on techniques for making jewelry, consequently inspiring the designers to create new accessories. Webinars that we do to help new entrepreneurs in jewelry, advising and giving them business tips. Other valuable contents are made to explain our tools and give an update on the latest developments in accessory designs. We are proud to be part of the big companies because we don't only seek financial profitability, we also want to have a positive impact on environmental and social development. We focus on goal number 5, gender equality. We want to be a company that manages to contribute to our society.
And remember, Carol, inspire and create.